Hi guys, Miss H here, creator of Meg's Music Room. It's time for your Music Minute. Today we're talking about the difference between the recorder and the flute. The recorder is the dad to the flute, so they're really closely related. The recorder is most popular in Renaissance music and in music class, and the flute is most popular in band and in orchestra. This is the sound of the flute. Now the recorder has a smaller range and it's a little bit quieter, so that's why it's not as popular in band and orchestra. This is the sound of the recorder. So I hope this helps you figure out the differences between the recorder and the flute. Check out my other music minutes. You can subscribe to my YouTube channel for updates. Click the links in the description below for my social media sites and for other great resources. And don't forget, Meg's Music Room, a music teacher's best friend. Right on the nose, 1 minute.